welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Max. Today I have an unboxing video for you. I'll be unboxing my most recent purchase from Coach. I purchased this on the Black Friday sale, so I'm a little bit late uploading this, so I won't let you wait any longer. There's the box. This is how it is inside. Tissue paper. And so it's a pair of shoes, pair of boots. So in here, so this is just a thank you for shopping at Coach. And this is the receipt. Yeah, so yeah, just the receipt. These boots I'm actually really happy. I paid $140 for them, so that's a sale price. I saw them a few months before and they were I think $200. So it was worth off to be patient and waited, so I'm happy I waited a while. So let's see inside. And this is just their footwear care booklet. This is the jewel leather bootie in black. In here. So this is what it looks like, and hopefully they fit. I got them at size 8.5, so I'll be trying them on and hopefully they fit good. But when I saw these, I thought they were super cute. Just with a nice little jewel and kitten heel, so I'll get closer. Jewel on here with a C. Some small kitten heel. Feels very nice. It's very soft leather. These boots, they fit me very well. They were easy to go on. I love the style. I love the pointed toe look, the kitten heel. It's good, and then I love how they look with a pair of jeans. You can pretty much wear them with anything. I love booties, so I'm really happy with this purchase. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of these pair of boots? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please remember to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.